Hi friends, today we will see three slokas, Sloka 29, 30 and 31 in chapter 1 of Bagavath Gita, as these three should be chanted together. Vepatushcha sarire me Roma harshascha jayate Gandivam sramstate hasta Tvakshaiva paridakyat न च शक्योमवस्थातुं भ्रमतीव च मे मनः निमितानि च पश्यामि विपणितानि केशव न च श्रेयोऽनुपज्यामि हत्वा स्वजनमारवे. We'll repeat. Vepatushcha sarire me Roma harshascha jayate Gandivam sramstate hastat Tvakshaiva paridakyat Na cha sakyomavastatum Brahmativa cha me manaha निमितानि च पश्यामि विपणितानि केशव न च श्रेयोऽनुपज्यामि हत्वा स्वजनमारवे.
Now we will see the meaning of the three slokas. My whole body shudders, my hair is standing on end, my bow, the Gandhiv, is slipping from my hand and my skin is burning all over. My mind is in quandary and whirling in confusion. I am unable to hold myself steady any longer. O Krishna, killer of Keshi Damon, I only see omens of misfortune. I do not foresee how any good can come from killing my own kinsmen in this battle.
Shri Krishnarpanamastu.